Tired of your Vandal art looking bland? Alright, let's jump right into Adobe Photoshop and transform this simple Vandal tag into a glowing masterpiece. First, make sure you've opened your image in Photoshop and have the Layers panel open. We will need this. Select the layer containing your Vandal artwork. It's best to make sure it's a separate layer for easier editing. To start, let's duplicate this layer by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate Layer. Duplicate the layer again and call it Glow. Now, click on the Glow layer. Go to the drop-down menu at the top and select Filter, then Blur, and finally, Gaussian Blur. In the Gaussian Blur window, adjust the radius slider. As you increase the radius, you'll see the edges of your image start to soften and blur, creating the initial glow. The amount you blur will depend on the size of your image and, more importantly, how intense your glow is meant to be. Next, change the color of your glow. Click the Blending Mode drop-down on your glow layer and set it to Color Dodge. Immediately, your image should start to glow. To change the color to get your unique look, double-click the box next to the glow layer. A color picker will pop up where you can pick any color imaginable. To adjust the intensity, tweak the opacity of the glow layer up a bit or down a bit by clicking the opacity slider in the Layers panel. Play with this setting until you're happy with the level of glow. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to make your Vandal art pop with a stylish glow. Experiment with different colors and blur amounts to fit your style. Don't forget to tag your artwork with #VandalArt and #PhotoshopEffects. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.